Happy Shark Week! This critter right here is known as the Largetooth Sawfish, also known as the wide sawfish, the freshwater sawfish, the common sawfish, leech heart sawfish, and the river sawfish. It is a species of sawfish in the family of Pristidae. Historically, it can be found throughout the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans, from as far north as the Mediterranean to as far south as the Horn of Africa. It could also be found throughout the rivers and lakes of Africa, North, South, and Central America, Southeast Asia, and northern Australia. However, due to massive population decline, it is now missing from much of its former range. Reaching over 20 feet or 6 meters in length and weighing in excess of 1,300 pounds or 490 kilograms, the large-toothed sawfish is the third largest sawfish species after the green sawfish and the small-toothed sawfish, and can be distinguished from its relatives by its unique dorsal fin, which is positioned in front of the pelvic fins. As in all other sawfish species, the leading edge of the dorsal fin is behind the leading edge of the pelvic fins. The largest sawfish is a predator that feeds upon fish, mollusks, and crustaceans by using its rostrum to both stir up the bottom to find prey and to slash at schools of fish. Sawfish are themselves eaten by crocodiles and large sharks. The rostrum itself is typically makes up around 27% of the sawfish's overall length, being up to 6 feet or 1.8 meters long and 1.5 feet or 0.46 meters wide. Each side of the rostrum is filled with 14 to 24 equally separated serrated teeth. Breeding occurs in both the fall and spring, with males giving birth between 2 to 13 live young in the salt or brackish water near river mouths. The pups then move upriver to spend the first 5 to 10 years of their life in the rivers and lakes up 250 miles inland before reaching sexual maturity around 9 to 10 feet or 3 meters in length. After which they return to the sea. Occasionally, young individuals become isolated in freshwater ponds and lakes and may end up spending the rest of their up to 80-year-long lives there. As suggested by the alternative common name of common sawfish, it was once plentiful but has now declined drastically, leading it to be considered a critically endangered species with stable populations remaining in just 20 countries worldwide.